In this video we are talking about if XRP is finally making the explosion to the upside, or if we see a move to lower levels again. As you can see, in the last days we saw this crazy move to the upside, and in the last video, as we were at this prices right here, I said that the chance is high that we are going to the upside again. I will show you now the clip from the last video. I think the chance that we are going to the upside is very high because we saw this higher lows all the way, and that's a very bullish sign. And I think that this supply zone as well is not really strong because we saw reactions right here, but not very explosive moves that caused the break of structure to the downside. And as you can see, we went perfectly from this demand zone to the upside in this supply zone. But now the question is, can we blast through this supply zone right here? And do we see higher levels for XRP? Or do we find no rejection in this supply zone and we see the move to lower levels again? As you can see, we had this important demand zone right here where we saw the last bullish explosion to the upside. And right now we made a higher low and saw this strong bullish explosion to the upside. We are also making a higher high right here. And as I said in the last video, we have this range right here, which is building since August. And the longer a range is building, the more explosive will the breakout be. And I think the chance is very high that we are exploding now to the upside at XRP, because we always saw rejection in the supply zone, but we didn't saw lower lows. And we are trying now to break this supply zone to the upside to the fourth time. And the more often a rejection area is tested, the higher chance is that we break through this resistance. So I think the chance is very high that we're going now to the upside. But what would be the next resistance areas? I think that this area is the next resistance area because we are seeing this daily order block right here. And from this order block, we saw this last push to the downside. So the chance that we're going to this order block again is very high. And the chance that we are finding some resistance right here is also very high. But of course, there's also the chance that we find resistance right here in the supply area, that we don't coming through this resistance, and then the chance is high that we're going to lower levels again. And I think the next important area is this demand zone again with this last lows right here. So if we don't see the explosion to the upside, I think the chance is high that we're going to the downside again around this area right here. And if we are finding support right here, then the chance is high that we are seeing higher levels again. But if anything interesting happens for XRP, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on XRP. So all in all, I'm really bullish on XRP right now. I think the chances are that we're going to higher levels, but for this we have to break this supply zone to the upside with a daily or weekly body close, and then the next important resistance area is this order block right here. As we go on the weekly time frame, it's also looking very bearish right now. If this candle closes above this last highs, this is a very bullish sign, and we are seeing that we are making higher lows all the way. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits in trading and see you in the next one.